So here in Fresno, California, we just finished installing a Toto toilet. This, I believe, the homeowner purchased directly through Lowe's, and it was shipped to the home. The packaging was problematic. I mean, it was certainly packed well, but what they did is they took some of the expanding foam and they took some like trash bags and lined the toilet and then shot it full of foam, and it expanded into another larger box. So this sat in a normal Toto box for a one piece that you would see, you know, cardboard back to here and up. They set that in a larger box, filled it with peanuts and expanding foam and bags and whatnot. The mounting washers that go down there for the bolts, they were down in the bowl here. So were the caps. So not thrilled with that. Additionally, the seat, of course, in its own cardboard box in that packaging. The mounting system, the part that swivels, was snapped off in the box, and the homeowner was there. Actually, she unpackaged it herself and asked the question, is this broken? And of course, I confirmed it is broken. So nothing we can do about that. We can't set the seat. So we got a single wax ring in there with brand new brass bolts down on the bottom. We did replace the shutoff valve. That's a quarter turn on, quarter turn off. It looks like a multi-turn, but it's not. So this guy, if you see there, quarter turn off, and nope, you can't see. So that's off. You can see across. Let's see if I can get a picture without putting my finger in front of the camera, and then quarter turn on. Okay, so that's it. So that valve is in. We also replaced the supply line. That's a Fluid Master 3/8 by 7/8 by 20-inch braided stainless steel supply. And so toilet's one piece. It is filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. So Toto's a nice toilet. Unfortunately, you don't have a seat, but we did put several shims in. Actually, many shims in. They were different. The tile is pretty uneven around the base, so we've got a shim in toward the back here, and then we've got a shim in right where the bolt is inserted on both sides. You know, there's a bolt over there. You can't see them because they cocked it in. And then one up here, one about in that grout line right there. Anyways, there was a little bit of movement. We wanted to eliminate that. So now this Toto installation, it's solid. There's zero movement in it. The ABS floor flange, the closet flange that's down there, in great shape. So like I say, new brass bolts, new wax ring with a horn on it. Set the toilet, bolt it down, shim it, caulk it in, test it out. Everything looks good. Unfortunately, we can't set this seat for you. There'll be a separate service call to come back out and do that if you'd like us to. It's pretty straightforward. I think you should be able to take care of that on your own. But get with Lowe's, find out what they want to do to get you a replacement for that. Outside of that, this installation is done.